Today I can tell you how to make a logo on Canva. First click on the customize size, select logo size. After selecting logo size, click on create new design. This blank page appear in front of you. Change its background color. Then go toward elements, click on graphic. I choose this design for my logo. You can also change it with your choice. After it, I choose a heading which I like for my logo. I change its font size. After it, I change its color which is good for my logo. Then decrease its size and fit it into my logo. Yes, now it's looking good. Now time to download it. Click on share, download, select PNG form and then download.